Hello everyone, we are team number 4 from the group 044. We will present a solution of a 3x3 system of linear equations using Montante's method. The system assigned to us is the following: 2x plus 3y minus c equals 7, x minus 2y plus 4c equals 1, 3x plus y plus 2c equals 12. First, we organize these coefficients into our initial matrix, separating the independent terms. By definition, our previous pivot is 1, and we will take the 2 into the position 1, 1 as our current pivot. We begin the iterations. Row 1 stays the same because it contains the pivot. The other rows are transformed by multiplying current pivot times the element to transform minus the corresponding cross product, all divided by the previous pivot. For example, to find this minus 7, we multiply 2 times minus 2 minus 1 times 3, divided by 1. We repeat this process for all elements, obtaining zeros below the main pivot. Our new matrix now has a minus 7 in position 2, 2, which will be our new pivot for the next stage. So now our current pivot is minus 7 and the previous pivot is 2. Row 2 remains fixed. We calculate the new values for row 1 and row 3. For instance, to update the first position, we multiply minus 7 times 2 minus 3 times 0, divided by the previous pivot, which is 2. This gives us minus 7. By the end of this iteration, we get our third matrix, where we already have zeros in the first column and below the main diagonal. Our new pivot in this position is a positive 7. We reach the final step. Our current pivot is 7, and we will divide everything by the previous pivot, which was minus 7. We perform the last cross multiplications to zero out the elements above the final pivot. Here we obtain the final values for the results. Column for x is 7 times minus 17 minus 10 times minus 28. All of this divided by minus 7 gives us 57. For y, we got minus 31, and for c, we got minus 28. Finally, we have our diagonalized matrix, where all elements on the main diagonal are 7. This means that 7x equals 57. Therefore, x equals 57 over 7, approximately 8.14. 7y equals minus 31. Therefore, y equals minus 31 over 7, which is minus 4.428. 7c equals minus 28. Dividing by 7 gives us an exact integer. C equals minus 4. This concludes the demonstration of Montante's method. Thank you for watching.